Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to change your phone number in WhatsApp. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video, write your comments, and let's get started. And I will show you now the whole process of the very beginning. To do this, friends, open the WhatsApp app and then go to the settings section at the bottom and then select account. Now, friends, you will have to select change number. Now you will be taken to a page like this. Don't be afraid, friends. This page tells you that you can transfer some of your information from one number to another. Just click on it. Now, friends, you will need to first enter your phone number that you actually have right now. After that, at the bottom, enter the phone number that you want to change to. After that, friends, also if you change, let's say, the country of location or change the number according to the country, then also change the country as well. After that, you will have to click on Next. Now, friends, you will see a page like this. On this page, you can choose to notify your contacts. If you select it, then all your contacts that you have on your old WhatsApp number, they will be notified that you have changed the number. If you are happy with this, then enable this feature and select Next is ready. After that, you need to confirm again your phone number and transfer, and immediately will have your phone number changed in WhatsApp. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you and helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.